The moment you got that phone call. It reminds you, no matter how long it goes, it's hard, but you're making such a difference. The main reason I'm here to say, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart.
President Biden is taking executive action to curb gun violence. Here's what the president's new order aims to do.
Joe Biden getting ready for 2024 and being in a pro-gun control stance and an anti-crime stance in a way that he can then fall back on that when he gets questioned about it on the campaign.
It was now going viral for an old interview where he embarrasses an anti-gun Hollywood reporter when he tries to attack America's gun culture in that slimy, passive.
Every day, some kind of anti-violence, anti-gun message. Every day, every school, at every level. One thing that I think is clear with young people and with adults as well is that we just have to be repetitive about this. It's not enough to simply have a catchy ad on a Monday and then only do it every Monday. We need to do this every day of the week and just really brainwash people into thinking about guns in a vastly different way.
Intro. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. See this graph. This graph shows how gun deaths are increasing in a country like America. Now see another graph. This is suicide case. This is 20,000. Today we will investigate deeply this video titled Gun Control Finding Common Ground, or a Path Forward in Gun Safety. Upbeat music fades. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a complex and emotional issue, gun control in America. The problem: show statistics on gun violence, mass shootings. Gun violence is a devastating reality in the United States. Every year, thousands of lives are lost to shootings. These tragedies leave families shattered and communities in mourning. The debate: show clips of pro-gun control and pro-gun rights arguments. The debate around gun control is deeply divided. On one side, advocates argue for stricter regulations to keep guns out of the wrong hands and prevent mass shootings. On the other, some believe gun ownership is a fundamental right and stricter laws infringe on responsible gun owners. Finding common ground: show interviews with gun owners and safety advocates. Despite the strong feelings, there might be common ground. Responsible gun owners often care deeply about safety. Perhaps we can focus on solutions that address both gun violence and responsible gun ownership. Potential solutions: background checks. Expanding background checks to include private sales and gun show purchases could keep guns away from those who shouldn't have them. Red flag laws. These laws allow law enforcement to temporarily remove firearms from individuals deemed a threat to themselves or others. Mental health resources. Increased access to mental health care could help prevent tragedies by addressing underlying issues. Safe storage. Promoting safe gun storage practices can prevent accidents and suicides. Finding solutions together. Show a call to action. This is a complex issue with no easy answers, but by focusing on common ground, promoting responsible gun ownership, and implementing effective safety measures, we can work together to reduce gun violence in world. Upbeat music returns. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What solutions do you think could make a difference? Remember, let's keep this conversation respectful, even if we disagree. Additional info. You can modify the title to be more specific depending on your chosen angle. For example, can background checks reduce gun violence? Add visuals throughout the video to keep it engaging. Consider interviewing people from both sides of the debate. Provide resources for viewers who want to learn more or get involved. Remember, the goal is to spark conversation, not alienate viewers with strong opinions. Share this video and aware.